You may wish to learn how to get videos off phone to your computer to create a backup and prevent data loss or edit the videos before sharing them. After watching this guide, you will know how to move videos from an iPhone to your PC. Method 1. How to get videos off iPhone using Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is the perfect solution. You can effortlessly send over music, movies, photos, contacts, and more with just a few clicks. It is ideal for ensuring that all of your most valued content stays safe. Below is a step-by-step guide of using Assistant for iOS to transfer your videos from an iPhone to your computer. Step 1. Connect your device to the computer. Step 2. Select the videos that you want to transfer from iPhone to the computer. Step 3. Transfer the videos from iPhone to the computer by clicking the Export button. The transfer process will begin, and all the selected videos will be transferred quickly. Method 2. How to pull video from iPhone through iCloud Photos. iCloud is an excellent tool for efficiently transferring videos, photos, and other content between devices. With the powerful iCloud photo library enabled on your iPhone, you can access all those memorable moments from your device. Method 3. How to get videos off iPhone through File Explorer. With the power of Windows Explorer, you can quickly transfer all sorts of media from an iPhone to a Windows computer. Method 4. How to get videos off of iPhone to Mac using AirDrop. Apple has made sharing your videos with friends and family easy by introducing AirDrop. This user-friendly feature lets iOS users quickly transmit photos, videos, audio files, and more between compatible devices. Method 5. How to transfer photos from iPhone to PC using Photos app. Transferring photos and videos from iPhone to PC is now easier than ever, thanks to the Windows Photos app. Installing this user-friendly app on Windows 8, 8.1, or 10 is quick and painless. Method 6. How to get videos off iPhone to computer using email. An email is a great way to transfer videos from the iPhone to your computer. Though it may take some time depending on the size of the video,